Most businesses run on Excel, not just for analysis, but for real operational workflows. These spreadsheets are often incredibly sophisticated, built over years by people who understand the business deeply. They contain proprietary logic, business rules, product configurations. They work. But at some point, the spreadsheet stops scaling. Files multiply, data gets lost, updates break existing files. Managers ask for reports that nobody can produce without hours of manual work. And the business hits a ceiling, not because the logic is wrong, but because Excel was never designed to be a shared, scalable, multi-user application. In this video, we are going to walk through exactly what that problem looks like in practice and show you what it looks like when you solve it. One of the most common use cases across businesses of every size is the sales quoting spreadsheet. Sales teams use them every day to configure products, calculate pricing, and generate quotes for prospects and customers. This file is a perfect example of what people in the industry call CPQ, configure, price, quote. The file has multiple sheets, complex formulas, and thousands of rows of pricing data. This is the proprietary business logic that makes the tool work. Years of expertise encoded in Excel. That logic is valuable. The question is how you deploy it. In the current workflow, a sales rep opens the file, fills in the customer details, and the premium calculates instantly. Each field is constrained to valid inputs to protect the formula logic. All the complexity is hidden. The calculation is instant and accurate. The tool works. This is not a problem with the Excel file. The problem is what happens next. After completing the quote, the sales rep saves a copy of the file, stores it in a local or shared drive. That is how the record is kept. 1 file per customer per quote. Watch what happens over time. 3 files become 50. 50 becomes over 100. And that is just 1 sales rep. Multiply it across your entire sales team, and you are looking at thousands of disconnected Excel files scattered across local drives and shared folders with no central record of what was quoted, to whom, when, or at what price. Now here is where it gets painful. Pricing tables change, product rules get updated, the formulas in the file get revised. What happens when a prospect from 6 months ago calls back and asks for an updated quote? You have to find their old file, open it, realize it is running outdated pricing, copy the data across to the new version manually, and recalculate. Or what if your manager asks for a pipeline report? All your data is sitting in hundreds of disconnected Excel files. There is no way to produce that report without opening every single one. That is the ceiling, and that is what we are solving. This is the same quoting tool converted into a web application using SpreadsheetWeb. The same fields, the same logic, the same pricing accuracy, but now it lives in a browser, not a file. Every sales rep accesses the same application through a link. Nobody downloads anything, nobody manages file versions, and nobody can accidentally break the formulas. The inputs are the same. As fields are filled in, the total premium calculates in real time, exactly as it did in the original spreadsheet. With Jane Doe's quote fully configured, we click Proposal. A professionally formatted PDF downloads instantly. This is a proposal document prepared for Jane Doe with the full policy details, coverage breakdown, and company branding included, ready to send directly to the customer. In the old Excel workflow, creating this proposal would mean copying the quote data into a Word template, reformatting it, saving it as a PDF, and attaching it to an email manually. Here, it is one click from the web application. The same pricing data that drove the calculation drives the proposal document automatically. Every time a quote is saved, the data goes into a central database. No files, no folders, just a clean, structured table with every quote your team has ever created, and all in one place. And because the data is centralized, searching and filtering works instantly. Want to see all quotes for female non-tobacco customers? Simply filter by gender and tobacco usage. That pipeline report your manager asked for? Click Download and you get a clean Excel file with all the data formatted and ready. All quotes, all their fields in seconds. No manual consolidation required. This is what data visibility looks like when it is not trapped inside individual files. Here is another scenario that the old file-based workflow handles poorly. A prospect comes back and wants to explore different coverage options. In the old world, you open their file, make changes, and save over the original. In the web application, you open the existing record directly from the data table. You can adjust any field and the premium recalculates instantly based on the current pricing tables, not the outdated ones from a file saved 6 months ago. The current ones? Because the platform maintains a full record history, click the History button on any record and you can see every version, when it was created, when it was updated, which user made each change, and what changed between versions. You can view any historical version or restore it as the active record. This is not just useful for customer conversations, it is an audit trail. For businesses in regulated industries like insurance, knowing exactly what was quoted to whom, when, and by whom is not a nice to have. It is a compliance requirement, and it comes built in. What you just saw is not a custom software project. It did not require a development team or months of build time. The pricing logic, the product rules, all of it was already built in Excel. SpreadsheetWeb converted it into a web application, added the data layer, the proposal generation, and the audit trail. The same pattern works for any Excel-based business workflow. If the logic exists in Excel and the workflow depends on it, SpreadsheetWeb closes the gap between a spreadsheet that works and a system that scales. The link to get started is in the description. Try it for free and see what your Excel file looks like as a web application. SpreadsheetWeb, where Excel meets web apps.